That's Clover Towing.
They're still coming.
That's Clover Towing. Here's the rotator. Right there. That's the rotator. Those things can cost millions of dollars. Looks like this thing has 5 winches. 4 on the boom and 1 on the tow ball right there. I think this might be the one that actually can slide forward.
Oh.
Like that entire thing can slide forward on some of them.
Pull them out like a gully or a valley.
Well, they use these when they have to flip semis back over actually.
Yes.
We got 2 little flatbeds here. Oh, check that one out. It's spinning.
Merry Christmas.
So the power pack. Oh, look at this truck. Look at it.
That one's spinning.
Rudolph's red nose.
Want to hear a fun fact?
Hello, Rudolph.
Cars use hydraulics. These guys use air brakes. When there's no air in the brakes at all, then they are locked.
Ah,
They only use air to release the brakes.
that is so pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The thing is, if you're ever going to be part of this grid, you have to sign up 3 months ahead.
Yes. Good to know.